Guys, I will do another vlog. Look how beautiful it is here. I'm in front of the church. I just wanna talk something about street bob. Like, I just bought these footpegs, like Willie G. I'm not sponsored by Willie G or anything, or Harley in any ways. I just installed them. It's so massive. You can use them as weights in fitness. You just replace the stock one. They're horrible. Like, the foot is slipping down all the time. But this one are so nice, you know, like very massive. Like, this is real metal. You would expect this like some plastic shit, and you have like a rubber under and above, and the grip is like superb. And also the design, look at that, Willie G. You see like some Chinese copies that never get the skull right, so you can immediately see that's a copy, you know. So I just hated the stock foot pegs because my foot was slipping on a highway. It was so tiresome. So you just replace this, like, and then you can here you can adjust the angle, you know. It's not just, it doesn't lock into the position, it's the fully adjustable angle, you know, as much as you want. So I just wanted to have like this in this same angle, and here on the other side too, you see it's like this angle up towards the foot. I just need to replace this. Look, this is what the stock shit is like. I need to replace this one, and this is the forward controls for the Dyna, so it's really good. And Willie G, I have the hand grips too. I bought these like, I don't know, like 2 years ago, and they're still like holding up good. It's just the stock is horrible. I mean, why is Harley like doing that, like selling this premium stuff if the stock is so bad? Look, the same design, Willie G. They're really massive, like really good grip for the hands, really 10 out of 10, and the foot pegs are 10 out of 10. So there other guys are like suggesting some Chinese crap, like you know, MX pegs from China, you know, like that looks like the motocross foot pegs. Horrible design, and they just grip your shoes too much, you know. This one is so good, like your feet doesn't slip. You know how much there's a lot of surface here to grip your shoe, you know, so it doesn't slip at all, and it's super massive. This is like pure metal, you know, very heavy, very sturdy. I don't know why they put the rubber on the bottom. I don't know. This is very weird. But this is forward control brake, so this one is still good. I'm not replacing. But the Willie G is like making this too, and lever for this one too, but I cannot find it anywhere. So what you need to do on Dyna if you're buying this Willie G and the seat, stock seat, like I get a Saddleman, $500 imported from America, very nice, so much better than the stock, and the 18-inch bar, and that's it. And this is the air filter from Vance and Hines, and Vance and Hines too. Yeah, there's a lot of custom. This computer, 18-inch apes, Saddleman, foot pegs, handle grips, and that's pretty much it. And it looks still good after, it's like 2014 year, and it's still good, I think. Too bad. I think the Dyna is gonna be more valuable through time. Yeah, in like 20 years I think it's gonna hold the price, because they discontinued this model, and it's the best. I tested all the other Harley-Davidson models and nothing comes close. The only thing is like you don't have a bags, but you can buy them something, and it's not the bike for highway. Like 100 kilometers, it's perfectly fine, but above that, it's a little bit wind. But if you have like this saddle, man, it's much better. So you can travel, but you need to put like some bags here. They add this, but I don't want to change the. You have to relocate the blinkers, you know, so that's bullshit. And that's pretty much it. I really like this bike. There's nothing better. Like, what you gonna buy? The street glide or road glide? I mean, it's like for grandparents, I think. I mean, it's touring bike, but it's not so agile and so fast like Dyna, you know. So that's my vlog. I'm like in a small city. Have like two churches, one and this one, so beautiful, but it's closed. And there's like a water. Look, if you live up there, like it's so beautiful. This is like the church complex. I don't know. Look, beautiful church, huh? So that's it. Keep on rolling on the roads, people. Look at that Japanese crap on the motorway. So bye bye.